Hi guys, thanks for joining me. I'm going to be experimenting a bit today. I am curious what result I'll get if I spray or flick silicone oil onto a painting. So I'm going to be experimenting using a toothbrush to do that today. All of the colors that I'm going to be using today are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to cover some of the open areas. Now I'm just going to drag this white over the other colors. Here I'm using the paint that stayed on the plastic to help cover the edges of the canvas a bit. Alright, so now we're ready for our experiment. I'm going to just put down a drop of silicone oil and then rub the tip of the toothbrush around in it. And now I'm just going to flick the silicone oil off and see what happens. That's interesting. When I did this side, the toothbrush was really close to the canvas and we got these much smaller cells over here. Okay, so this was an interesting experiment. If you want cells in a specific area of the canvas, this is an approach you could use. Also, if you want to vary the size of the cells, you can get really small cells by holding the toothbrush super close to the canvas when you sort of flick those bristles. Or, if you hold it further away from the canvas, you can get some bigger cells. So, kind of interesting. Thanks as always for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.